Zbizlink is the only full-cycle collaboration and proposal management tool for small to corporate proposal teams. Are you spending too much time organizing RFP requirements into the compliance matrix? Do you need a way to automate this process and RFP review? Rather than drudge over lengthy RFPs and resumes or manually review for requirements, shred complex and lengthy documents with proprietary Parser technology. Zbizlink's RFP Parser and Resume Parser are built-in solutions that help you ease review of solicitation documents and parse out requirements for compliance. Simply upload your document into the Parser tool and let the system use artificial intelligence to map requirements into manageable sections in just seconds. The tool doesn't restrict perfection, but encourages it. Drag and drop RFP sections from the original to extracted RFP window, edit, and customize as you see fit. Summary, scope, background, whatever is required instantly parses into its designated section, creating the compliance matrix. Assign teams for quick review right in the tool to fast-track the go or no-go decision. Your data carries over to your proposal to streamline proposal development. Zbizlink was created to save you time, match your workflow, and automate your processes. RFP and other solicitation documents get lengthy, 100-page lengthy, from the government especially. Use proprietary Parser technology to extract data from lengthy, complex documents and quickly transform them into manageable sections with consistent headings. Zbizlink helps you finish the proposal 3 times as fast so your team can go home.